Hello my loves, I'm so happy that you've come to hang out with me today. We are going to be speaking about my favorite topic in the whole wide world, shoes, and those that you should incorporate in your capsule wardrobe for this spring and summer. Really quick, before showing you all the shoes, I just wanted to let all of you ladies that sent me an email ordering a pair of Nude Pumps that right now I'm just waiting for the factory to give me an answer back to see if we're going to be able to make them or not, because we're very close to the minimum order quantity per color, but we're not quite there yet. So I will have an answer from them tomorrow and I will let all you ladies know via email. All right, shoe number one. I got the new Yves Saint Laurent strappy sandals. These are beautiful. I love a good wedge, especially for summer and spring months. Wedge is something that you can wear with dresses, with pants. Something that is coming in very strong now for spring and summer is everything with like very thin straps, and I think that Yves Saint Laurent mastered that very well when they made their entire collection now for spring and summer. As I have mentioned in my previous capsule wardrobe videos, earthy tones are coming in very strong in this year. You're looking at chocolate browns and that deep terracotta, which is like a brick color. This next pair I'm going to show you, I am really pumped because I know you're going to really like it and you're going to find it really sexy. The next pair I got is this pair of ultra sexy Manolo Blahnik strappy sandals. First of all, let's talk about the ergonomics of this shoe, because Manolo Blahnik crushed it so hard when he did this shoe. Let me explain to you why. A huge trend that you're going to see throughout all designers is PVC. PVC is this clear plastic. Either the shoe is just going to have a small detail of it, or the shoe is going to be made completely on it. You're going to see it clear and you're going to see like tinted PVC. Another huge trend is anything with very thin straps and gold and metallic colors. So silver metallic, gold metallic, rose gold metallic. And he incorporated all those three things into one shoe. When you are wearing these shoes, your legs look so beautiful. Your legs look very long, very seamless. They look like they're never ending. However, whenever you do wear these shoes, you have to have really nicely pedicured feet, because your foot is the center of attention. For all you ladies that love this PVC trend, but maybe you cannot spend so much on a shoe, I found another alternative. These are from Steve Madden. The shoe is absolutely gorgeous. They are very comfortable. I have actually worn this already a couple of times, and I'm telling you, whenever I'm walking in this, my foot feels very secured, because this strap right here really holds on to your foot. Next shoe that you should definitely, no question, not even a second thought, that you should definitely incorporate into your capsule wardrobe for this spring and summer, I would say for your entire life. It's a pair of Nude Pumps. I got these Gianvito Rossi pumps. You guys probably saw this in one of my videos about a week ago. The heel on this is 105 millimeters. I don't know how many inches that is. You can use an online converter calculator to figure that out. It's a color that goes with everything, and it's a shoe that you can wear with everything. I have a surprise for you ladies. I looked everywhere in the market to see if I could find something similar to those Gianvito Rossi pumps, just maybe something a little bit more affordable, and you're not gonna believe what I found. Are you ready? Check this out. You got these pumps. Steve Madden nailed it with this color. Look at the comparison between that and the Gianvito Rossi shoe. I would say it's exactly the same color. This is a crazy designer dupe. Obviously, Steve Madden, what is this shoe made out of? This is leather upper, synthetic lining, man-made outsole. So your foot is not going to be as breathable as the Gianvito Rossi pump, and it's not going to look as nice. But you know what? This color, it's pretty damn good. Another trend that was huge last year were the dad sneakers. You saw them everywhere on Instagram. You saw them everywhere, the big Balenciaga sneakers. And this year it continues. Sorry to tell you, they are going nowhere. My version of that were these beautiful white trainers by Valentino. These are the rock stud sneakers, and they just came out right now for their spring summer collection. I got some heat from a couple of you girls in one of my last videos saying that the sneaker is ugly. If you don't like it, it's fine, to each his own. I personally love it, and I think it's super fresh. It's super dope. If you live in a city like New York where you have to walk everywhere, flats and sneakers are your best friend. Next huge trend this year is going to be animal prints. You're gonna have leopard, zebra, anything animal print is very in. These are from Steve Madden, and these are a designer dupe. Gianvito Rossi has this shoe. Overall, it's a beautiful shoe. It has this black piping here. The shape of the toe cap is really beautiful. It's nice and pointy. Another trend that is going to be very prevalent is everything sparkly. You're going to see this in Balmain. You're going to see this throughout all the designers, and it's sparkly pumps, sparkly sandals, sparkly boots. I got a pair for you guys if you want to jump on this trend, and I personally love these, and I'm personally going to keep these. These, you saw in my other video, these are these beautiful, just strappy sandals with this gorgeous block heel, and they are just covered in crystals. This is made by Steve Madden. Again, he is just killing the dupes game, and this is just a great option for anything that you want to dress up at night. And the last shoe trend in this capsule wardrobe shoe collection for spring and summer is this beautiful living coral color, which is actually named the Pantone color of the year 2019. For me, this is a color about optimism, about celebrating life. It's my way of incorporating colors into my capsule wardrobe. Even though the bright and neon colors like the green and the hot pink are also part of the trends in 2019. Those are not colors that I am planning to wear. They just don't go with my style. However, this coral pink is absolutely beautiful. It's so feminine. These shoes, I had them custom made in my factory in Italy. I will try to find a similar pair that I can link it to in case that you guys want to also incorporate this color into your wardrobe. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box below. I also want you to tell me which one of all these shoes was your favorite and which one you feel is going to be your favorite trend that you are going to identify with the most, and which one of these shoes you're going to be incorporating into your capsule wardrobe. I see you guys in my next video. Bye! Love this.